Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking a crisp PNG or transparent image. Resolution matters. 300/600 dpi keeps edges sharp. Once chosen, open photos and confirm transparency or use shortcuts to crop precisely. This preserves the shape. Make sure you have sticker paper or an online print service ready because print method changes file setup. You'll export a one or set physical size. Pick centimeter or inch dimensions, now so margins and cut lines are correct. Now focus on layout and cutting, trim backgrounds and add a 0. 5 mm bleed so the cutter won't leave white edges. Use an app on iPhone or desktop to arrange several stickers on an 8, 5x11 or A4 canvas. This saves paper and simplifies cutting. Once spaced, export a print-ready PDF or high-quality PNG at 300 dpi. Choose RGB or CMYK per your printer's requirements. Make sure crop marks are present if you'll use a professional cutter or service. Print your arranged sheet on compatible sticker paper. Pick matte for muted colors, glossy for punch. Once printed, cut carefully. Use scissors for simple shapes, a craft cutter for precision, or an automatic die cutter for many identical pieces. After cutting, peel and test one sticker on glass or phone case to confirm adhesion. If edges lift or colors smear, apply a clear laminate or light spray sealer and repress. This fixes peeling and increases durability, so your stickers last.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.